going on, folks? Brought the wife out to Boulder Field, Lake Harmony, Pennsylvania. This is the largest boulder field in America, and this is basically created by years of ice and erosion and expansion and cracking and things like that. So I don't remember the exact acreage, but I'll tell you in a little bit. And there's a man way off in the distance. Can you see him in the video? Yeah, right behind my head, like right there, playing a bagpipe in the middle of Boulder Field. And we're gonna go talk. All right, so far the wildlife we found in Boulder Field is, I just ran. These big black spiders, I don't know what they are. I'm sure I'll find another one. But yeah, the rocks are huge. All right, here's a Boulder Field black spider sitting on a rock. What are you? I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with you. Go ahead and get your sunlight. And we're getting a little bit closer to the bagpipe player. You gonna make it to Sana? Okay. Yes, there are big holes in Boulder Field. They're probably man-made. There's a really deep one over here. Looks like a very fun place to bring your friends when you're little. But I don't know. Let's go into the hole. It looks like there's water down at the bottom. I'm in the hole in Boulder Field. Okay, let's go find the bagpipes. Okay, so the bagpipe player did not want to be on camera. He said he's camera shy. But basically, he's a gentleman from Pittsburgh, and he just likes to go to parks and play his bagpipe. And he said he's never been here either. And yeah, he's pretty much just out in the middle of the Boulder Field making some music. So since we drove all the way from Maryland to check this out, I'm trying to walk all the way to the end. As you can see, it's pretty massive all the way around. And yeah, we're gonna walk the length of the entire thing. And then across from me, this is the biggest rock that I've seen since we've been out here. I'm gonna go stand on top of it. All right, I'm on the big rock, and Tasana left me. But yeah, we're almost there to the end. Alright, so here is a look at some of the rocks that you'll see here. It's mostly sandstone, and this one's been cracked open. Looks a lot like a brick on the inside, but there's a lot of that. There's a few different types, but the main one that I know is good old sandstone. Alright, so we're near the end of Boulder Field, and it's interesting how the terrain changes. Over here, we've got a lot more jagged, pointy rocks, kind of flat-shaped. Towards the middle, where actually the section we just came out of was a lot of smaller rocks, and then towards the beginning in the middle is a lot of larger stones. So don't know why that is. Interesting. And a look back at part of Boulder Field. It kind of curves in an L shape, so that's about halfway down, as you can see right there. All right, and here's the end of Boulder Field, and you can actually see where the rocks start to go into the ground, and it just kind of breaks off. It almost looks like bricks again. And we go from rocks all the way almost to solid ground. You can see it up there. I'm not going to go up in the trees. I don't know. I think we're going to go in the trees. So, yep, a few rocks left. Still rocky out here. Probably stays pretty rocky for a while. But now we're back on solid ground, or less solid ground, depending on how you look at it. And we're in the woods at the end of Boulder Field. I'm not going to go any further than this because there's bears here.